Hey guys, in this video we'll be solving the LeetCode problem, longest common prefix. So here we are given an array of words and we have to find the longest common prefix. For this example, FL is the longest word which all of these start with. So flower starts with FL, flow starts with FL, and flight also starts with FL. So we'll start solving this. So given the list of words, first what we'll do is we'll call the first word from the array as prefix. Then we'll loop over the array and we'll check if the word start with prefix. So right now they are the same, so which is true. Then we'll go to next word. Does the word flow start with prefix? So it doesn't. So if the word doesn't start with prefix, we'll just remove the last character from the word. So after removing the last character, it will become this. Then we'll check again. Does the word flow start with this? No, it still doesn't. Then we'll remove the last character. We'll check, does the word flow start with the prefix? It is true. Now we'll go to next word. We'll check, does the word flight start with our prefix? So which is false. We'll remove the last character. Then we'll check again, flight, does it start with this? No. We'll remove the last character. Now we'll check the word start with prefix, which is true. So at the end of the loop, we should have our prefix, which is the longest common prefix. So we'll start writing the code for this. First we'll call the first word of the array as the prefix. So let prefix will be the first word, which is the array of the 0th element of the array. Now we'll loop over the array. Now we'll check each word if it starts with the prefix. If the word is starting with the prefix, which is fine, but if it doesn't, then we'll start removing the last character from the prefix. So while the word, which is the ith element, starts with prefix, so if it starts, which is then we'll continue, but if it doesn't start with the prefix, then we'll just remove the last character from the prefix. So prefix will be prefix.slice 0, -1. So this will remove the last character, and at the end we should have our longest common prefix. So we'll return prefix. Now just try running this. It's fine. Now we'll submit this. Yeah, it's good. Now coming to the time and space complexities. If you were to generalize the approach, we see here we have a loop inside of another loop. So time would be order of n square, and we are not using any extra spaces, so space should be constant time, just order of 1. Thanks for watching.